Here's a tip. I'm working with the new CS Live services in Dreamweaver CS5. There's actually a really cool feature that I used to go to a bunch of other websites to, and I still kind of do. But if you guys open up Dreamweaver CS5 and you go to the CS Live button up top, once again, like I said, it's Dreamweaver CS5. You'll see all the different CS Live services. There's Site Catalyst NetAverages. Now, if I click View Latest NetAverages, when you deal with clients, obviously, you're trying to build websites, whatever, they're going to be asking you things like, well, what screen resolution are we shooting for? Or is Internet Explorer 6 something we should worry about? Stuff like that. Or even for your own websites. This is really cool because it goes through and shows you guys things like what's the screen resolution that most people use, or the operating system, or the browser version, or whatever. I mean, there's stuff I love in here, like browser version. If I click on browser version right here, it's going to take me out and show me, okay, well, 31.8% of the market, and this is not everybody, obviously, in the world. This is something that they try to track, uses about 32% of Internet Explorer 8. And you can see there's actually a plus or minus there saying since previous month or since previous year. Adoption, you can see Internet Explorer 7 is waning. You can see right there, 23%. Mozilla, IE6, this is my favorite right here. If I click on IE6, it'll take me over and show me just how many people, roughly, percentage-wise, are still using IE6 and what's doing. It's trending down, basically. So this is really pretty cool. Now, if I go back, there's a little arrow to go back over here. I can do things like screen resolution. I love this one because screen resolution shows me that, 22% are using 1024 768. And that's going down. You can see 1280, 768, 800, depending on devices. Unknown, I love that one. And if you go down and down and down, you'll start to see that eventually 800 by 600 has about 1.9% of the market, which I've pretty much given up on by now. So anyway, this is some really cool information, you guys, that you can go take a look at. What version browsers, JavaScript, what Flash Player, that's a good one. See what version of Flash Player they have. Flash Player 10, 93% of what they've the market that they've talked to. Mobile, you can also take a look at mobile devices, see what's going on as far as trends and screen resolution and all that sort of thing. And you can set up an alert if you want to. So let's say I go back to desktop here and I go to screen resolution and I say, okay, 1024 768, subscribe an email alert, and I can say, drag a percentage circle. You can drag around to say, up or down. When it reaches a certain percentage, I want you to send me an email. So I can say subscribe to that, which is cool. So there's an alert going on. You can see where the alert is right there. Anyway, just free. Basically, you guys, all you got to do is sign up for an Adobe ID, which is free. They take a little information. You sign in, and you guys can take a look at this stuff. It's actually pretty cool. So not too bad. Anyway, just quick something you guys can look at for NetAverages in Dreamweaver CS5.